Today, we're diving into a world of relaxation and tranquility as we explore the most satisfying sounds that can soothe your mind and bring you a sense of calm. From the gentle patter of rain to the serene melody of ocean waves, these sounds are perfect for helping you unwind, relax, or even fall asleep. Sit back, put on your headphones, and let's embark on a journey through the most satisfying sounds you've ever heard. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this.
Thank you for watching. Short and simple. No bullshit.